The Bay East annual election for officers, directors, and bylaws changes is happening now through June 24th. To learn more about the candidates, visit bayeast.org/candidates-2022.
The two Bay East bylaws amendments on the ballot are Bylaws Amendment Number 1, adding a nominating committee and dissolving district directors and moving to an all-at-large director board. Bylaws Amendment Number 2, allow the board of directors to approve amendments to the bylaws. For more information on the bylaws changes, visit bayeast.org/election-2022.
Voting ends June 24th at 2 p.m. For more information about the election, visit bayeast.org/election-2022.
Thanks for watching.